How to send a file on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send a file easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Zoom app. Now this is the home page as you can see. Now let's just choose any channel or conversation right here. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on the conversation. Now if you want to share file, all what you have to do is go down here, click on this plus icon right here in the down, click on it, and you will find send a file. Now after you click on send a file, you will be able to send any file from your phone easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much for watching.